Today's dish is an Indian specialty from the Gujarati region called Handvo, a savoury vegetarian cake consisting of carrots, peas and lentils, often eaten with mint chutney. So take note and watch while we show you how to prepare this delicious snack. Enjoy.
Hi guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Shwana and this is Cooking with Shwana. Is called Handvo. It's a Gujarati dish and a favorite of mine. It has lots of vegetables, rice, lentils, spices, but it's like a cake. It's a savoury cake which is baked in the oven. I've soaked 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of chana dal. I rinsed this out, washed it and left it overnight to soak thoroughly. The rice are nice and soft and you know they break in the hand, as you can see. It's finely chopped cabbage. This is 500 grams and there's 500 grams of frozen peas, 2 medium carrots grated and 1.5 medium onion chopped. This is 6 green chilies finely chopped and a tablespoon of finely grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, a small handful of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and if we need more we'll add some more, half a teaspoon of hing, also known as asafoetida, half a teaspoon of red chili and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 8 tablespoons of vegetable oil and some more for frying the spices, Greek yogurt, natural Greek yogurt 400 milligrams, and Eno, 1.5 tablespoons of Eno. This has active ingredients which when connecting with the liquid it bubbles up and it will make the handvo nice and light. I'm going to be putting into this liquidizer the rice and the chana dal. I'm going to be adding the 400 grams of yogurt and I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. You can see it's nice and smooth, but it's still a little bit gritty. But that's fine, we need that texture. Oh, I'm going to be adding the cabbage, the peas, then the carrots and the onions, the ginger and the green chilies, the red chili powder and the turmeric powder, the hing and the salt. And to that I'm going to add all the batter that I've mixed, all of it. That oil that I was going to use, and mix well. So if you find you want the colour a bit more deeper, you know, yellow, add some more turmeric. Keep mixing. I've also got to add 1 lemon juice. I forgot to put that, mention that when I was mentioning the ingredients. So squeeze out the lemon juice. Make sure you've got no pips in there. And I would put that in as well. It's part of the lemon. And all the juice. Right. It should be this consistency. If it's thicker, just add a little bit more water, around about 2 ounces of water. Not a lot because the vegetable have moisture of its own. So it's all been mixed well. And at this stage also check the salt and chilies. If you want more chilies or more salt, then you can add now. Now's the time to add it. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of the Eno powder. Mix that well. Can you see how it's frothing up? That's what we want. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna pour it all in. Okay, spread it out. Even it out. The last part to this is I'm going to add some water, some oil into a pan to fry all these spices. Mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, give it a stir, the sesame seeds and the curry leaves. Give that a stir. Can you hear them popping? You mustn't let these burn. You just need to fry them just for about a minute. Keep them moving. Right. Just take a tablespoon or a serving spoon and just put it all over. Spread it out. So remember, you put sort of like half the oil, or 2/3 of the oil, 3/4 of the oil into the mixture, and the rest you leave for these seeds to be fried in. Like a cake, we're going to bake this. This is at 170. I'm going to bake this for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to check to see, you know, whether the stick comes out clean, whether it's cooked thoroughly. This is a handvo. It was left in the oven for about 15 minutes. As you can see, nice and golden with all the mustard seeds, cumin seeds and sesame seeds on top. Looking very pretty, very golden. And the taste is amazing. Right, it's had time to cool down for about 15 minutes. Just going to cut some slices off. Still very soft. As it sits, as it gets colder, it will get firmer. Can you see all those vegetables? This is chutney that we made. It doesn't have any yogurt. It's got all the other ingredients but no yogurt. Tea time, any time, as a snack, brunch, it's amazing.